Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I'm here today to share my design team project for Country Craft Creations. And you're not going to believe what I just did. I actually just filmed the tutorial. I thought I filmed the tutorial. I tried to film the tutorial, but you have to hit the button that says record in order for the tutorial to actually get filmed. So I was planning on posting this as a walkthrough and a tutorial, but now I'm redoing it and I'm going to do the walkthrough, and I will come back in a day or so and I will do the tutorial again because I messed up. I cannot even believe I did that. I just did the whole thing, and went to go start editing and it's not there. And it's, oh, I'm so, anyway. I have a really super cute project to show you though. So this is my, Echo Park America paper collection that I got in my design team package, and it is a really super cute American red, white, and blue colors with the homespun feel with the wood grain, and it's just super cute. And I really liked it. I used almost my whole entire pack of 12 by or 6 by 6 papers on this project. So I wanted, and that's why I made this project, because I wanted to really showcase the 6 by 6 papers. So that's what I designed it for. So what I did do was design a box to hold our album, and this box is really cute because I created some chipboard fireworks, and I had these really cute rhinestone stars in my stash that I thought made really cute like fireworks fuse. And then the seam binding that I got in the collection, I wrapped around there and tied that with a pretty bow. Let me take the album out for just a second. The box is made out of all cardstock, and it's really sturdy. I used Craft from Country Craft Creations, and I used the Brown Artisan from Country Craft Creations, and then the wood grain here is part of the paper collection, and it is 6 by 6 paper. The box is 6.5 inches wide by 4 inches tall, and then it's 2.5 inches deep. And because the paper wasn't going to completely go to the edges of the craft box, I backed it with the Brown Artisan cardstock. So, and then I also had these Phillips and flathead screw brads in my stash that I thought would be really cute to use on the wood here. So I added those to the to the project. Inside, I just matted it with just cardstock and left it without pattern paper on the inside. And then my fireworks, again, are chipboard, and 3 different sizes that I layered together and then attached to the front of the box, and then put the pretty bow on there for decoration. Now, when I designed this box, you know, at first I was thinking, okay, well, I'm going to put my album in it, and that'll be really cute. You could display it on your mantle, on your coffee table, wherever you like, and it'd be super cute. But then I thought, you know what? This has multi-purpose ideas here. This thing could be on your barbecue table, holding napkins, holding your plastic silverware for your barbecue get-togethers. I also thought that this would be cute in birthday paper, because these could be birthday candles, and then you could do the same thing, make an album for a birthday party, and then you could also make a ton of these because they come together really super quick, you know, to hold your party favors and whatnot in. This would be cute in Christmas paper, because these could be Christmas candles. So this has a lot of, I had a lot of ideas once I put this together. I thought, boy, this could do a whole bunch. So really easy to put together. I'll show you how to do it. And I'll have all of the course cutting guides and the cutting lists and everything for you, as I usually do. And I will do another tutorial. I will do another one. And I'll push record this time, I promise. So the book that goes in the box is super cute. It is all cardstock. There's no chipboard in it at all. So this was one of the mini cut-aparts that came in the paper collection in the 6 by 6 pad. It says America the Beautiful. I thought it was just a perfect title. Backed it with some scraps of red, white, and blue cardstock that I had, and some little gem dots that I had. And then I also used the ephemera pack that came with the design team package, backed with some cardstock that I used a punch with. and made this little decoration for the corner here. The rhinestones I had in my stash. I don't even remember where I got them. I used the very last red one I had on this project. So I'm glad I had enough to do that. So then the spine here is just a sticker backed on cardstock here. Life, Liberty, and the Pursuit of Happiness. I like that. And then on the back, it's just plain. I just put this sticker here that says Traditions on it. And then if you open up the book just to look at the spine, how I did it, the front covers, the book is 6 by 6 by 2, and the paper I cut down to 5 by 7/8 by 5 by 7/8. So you just take an 1/8 of an inch off 2 sides, and then it fits perfectly on the paper. And then I took a strip here, punched the edges of it, laid it down, and then folded it around so that it covered the whole spine. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You could just put a piece that's 1 7/8 across in the middle here and just do it that way if you wanted to. Totally up to you how you do it, but I thought that was kind of cute the way that turned out. So the book actually, there's 5 pages to it, which include the covers, and they're done waterfall style for the binding, so it's pretty simple. Inside the front cover, you have a nice pocket here. I created tags for all of the pockets. Each one of them has a red, white, and blue tag, and the square ones are 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and the rectangular ones are 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. So they'll hold 4-inch pictures and 3 by 4-inch pictures. So each one has 3 tags. They might be different combinations of sizes, but they each have that. And then this one here has a corner pocket, nice place here for a picture if you wanted to, and then of course pictures here. Turn the page, there's a waterfall here. I made this to fit the 3 by 4 cut-aparts that came with the collection. You just have to trim them just a little bit, 1/8 of an inch on 2 sides. And this one says, Let Freedom Ring. And then the one on the back says, Sparkler Kisses and 4th of July Wishes, like that. So waterfall, there's 3 pages to each of the waterfalls. There's 2 of them in this book. And I just left the back of the pages plain so that you can put lots of pictures, but I covered this one with patterned paper. Thought that was super cute. This has a nice side pocket, again with tags, and turn the page, and this has a nice belly band with the tags. And these tags, obviously, you could do it landscape or you could do it vertical, however you want to do them. You could put bigger ones in here too. You could put 5 by 5s in there if you wanted to. Another waterfall, Land of the Free because of the Brave. I love that. Super cute. And then Freedom back here. And again, the waterfall, just blank for pictures. And then the last but not least, a corner pocket. So you can kind of see, I did a pocket here. If you look at it, it's pretty symmetrical. So the front and the back covers each have the same kind of pocket and the same papers. This page and this page are identical. When you turn the pages, these 2 pages are identical. And then the middle page is not identical in style, but it is identical in the papers that I used. So I tried to keep it a little bit, I guess, cohesive or symmetrical. My brain likes that a lot. Use some wood grain for in between to tie it all in. I just love how this turned out. But this book can hold a ton of tags, but I think, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 tags to put pictures on, and then you have 6 pages for the waterfalls a piece. So lots of room for pictures. You can put way more in here if you want to. But wouldn't this book be super cute for like a backyard barbecue, 4th of July get together with your family? Now that things are opening up and we can actually do that. I know in our area we're not going to have fireworks, you know, official, like, you know, fireworks, but everybody's planning on getting together, and I think maybe we might have a social distancing block party, so we'll see what happens. But wouldn't this be cute to put your pictures in? So I'm going to do the tutorial again, and I will be back with that soon. I don't know if I'm going to get it done today or not, but I thought I would at least get the walkthrough videoed. I got a lot of preparation to make the tutorial now, so I will get it to you in the next couple days. I am so sorry for that. But I hope you like what I made. I hope you think it's cute, and I will see you back here as soon as I can, and I'll show you how I put it together. Really super easy, doesn't use a whole lot of cardstock, and it's just has a lot of potential with this one. So go to Country Craft Creations, get your Echo Park America paper collection, and your cardstock. In this one I used craft brown, white, red, and blue, and just let's have some fun, okay? I'll get back to you in a couple days. Thanks a lot for your patience. I appreciate it. Have a really good crafty day. Bye-bye.